Good afternoon, students. It's your English class. So today we will do revision of noun, right? As you know that it will come in your PA1. So first of all we will discuss about the definition of noun. A noun names people, animals, places, things, events, qualities and states. Nouns can be simple to understand because any name of a person, a place, an animal or a thing is a noun. In other words, we can say noun is a naming word. Whatever we see in this word is called noun. For example, this time you are using your mobile phone to listen or to watching the audio and video. So, mobile phone is having its name and it is also a noun. Just because as we are saying that noun is the name of a person, place or thing. So, mobile phone is also a thing. In a very simple language, we can say that noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Feeling, animals, whatever has its name. Now, we will discuss about the kinds of noun. So, first of all we will discuss about the common noun. Common nouns are the nouns which are common to all. The word which can be used for anything or anyone or any place is common noun. For example, man, school, dog. So these all are the examples of common noun. And one more thing, these nouns do not begin with a capital letter. Means common nouns do not begin with a capital letter. Now we will discuss about the proper noun. What is a proper noun? The noun which is used for a particular person, place or thing is called proper noun. For example, John, park, street, elementary, rower. These all are the examples of proper nouns. And these nouns begin with a capital letter. So you can see there is a difference between common noun and proper noun. In common noun, these nouns do not begin with a capital letter. But in proper noun, these nouns begin with a capital letter. So this is the difference between common noun or proper noun. Now let's understand the difference between common noun and proper noun. For example, fruit is given here, right? So fruit is common. Apple and apple, right? So apple is a proper noun just because there is a particular name of a fruit. Teacher, if we say my teacher, so teacher is common, okay? If we say my teacher name is Madam 10, so it will be proper name just because there is a particular name of teacher. Boy is common, right? But if we say Ali, there is a name Ali, so it will be proper noun just because it is a proper noun. So I hope it's clear to all of you what is common and what is proper noun.